Hey guys, Ben here from the Fibreglass factory. So today I want to show you what we've just finished, which is these paint cans, which are actually just a big 44-gallon drum that we've made a mold of. And then we've made these using white gel coat and fiberglass. And then we've done this little artistic venture for them. So it was a little bit challenging because we had never done this before. The interesting thing was they wanted this lip around the edge up here. So we've made this lip, which sort of makes it look a bit more like a paint can, and we've made handles in them, and then drawn letters on the side for this art show that it's going to. The interesting thing was trying to get the gel coat to pour over exactly how the customer wanted it. They want it sort of dripping right down to the ground, so there's sort of one spot on each drum where it sort of drips right down to the ground, and trying to make sure that it sort of runs down in the fashion that they wanted. Overall, they've come up well, and the customer's really happy. So yeah, see you later.